Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change password on ChatGPT. To change password on ChatGPT, these are the steps that you need to follow. The first step is to open your web browser, any web browser of your choice, and go to chatgpt.com. In the website, log in if prompted to your ChatGPT account by clicking the login button at the top right corner and entering your credentials. Once logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon, all right, which is at the top right corner of the page. And I provided with a drop-down menu including My GPTs, Customize ChatGPT, you have settings, and you have upgrade plan. Of course, you have logout. So the next thing for you to do is to click on settings. So on the settings page, if you check the left corner, you're going to find a couple of options, including general, personalization, speech, data controls, and data controls, builder, profile, connected app, and security. Now go ahead and look for security and click on security. Now you have multi-factor authentication and you have logout of all devices. Now, when I was registering for ChatGPT, I did not use a password. So I used my Google. All right, so I used my Google account. I didn't use password, so that's why you cannot really find the password from the security options except from this. But if you use your password, you should find it under here. So go ahead and click on the change password or the password settings that you're going to find, and you'll be prompted. Once you do that, you'll be prompted to enter your current password for security purposes. After entering the current password, input your new password. Make sure the new password meets any security requirements. Example, minimum length, character diversity, and a lot more. Now re-enter the new password to confirm it and click save or update password to apply the changes. Then once you're done, you'll receive a confirmation message that your password has been successfully updated. You may also receive an email confirming the password change. If you forget your current password, you can reset it by clicking Forgot Password on the login page and following the password recovery steps. Always change or always choose a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your account. So by following these steps, you can easily change your password on ChatGPT. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.